Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The first metaphor is of the free bird that is for the white Americans or free people, while the caged bird is the metaphor of African Americans and their captivity in the social norms. Personification. Maya Angelou has used personification such as sighing trees, as if trees are feeling sorrow.
Let's help you make your mark.
The poet has used a number of poetic devices in the poem. I know why the caged bird sings. Metaphor. The poet uses metaphor, an indirect comparison, when she compares wind to water. Alliteration. End rhyme and internal rhyme. Imagery. Personification. Repetition.
Let's help you make your mark.
As was mentioned in the previous response, the poem is written in the third person from an omniscient point of view. Utilizing omniscient narration, Maya Angelou compares and contrasts the plight of a free bird to that of a caged bird.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.